On this video I want to share with you how to get free energy from this computer fan. We will measure how many volts this fan can produce. I used an air blower to blow air into the fan to make it spin. We can get a minimum 3.5 alternating current voltage on this fan. Enough to charge a mobile phone. And to convert this voltage into direct current, we need a diode to make it a rectifier diode. At this point, we will measure the voltage, and because we used a rectifier diode, the output voltage will be direct current. We will put capacitor. Capacitor is used as a filter to convert the pulsating DC output from the diodes into a much smoother, more stable DC voltage by storing charge during peaks and releasing it during dips. During the peak of the rectified AC cycle, the capacitor charges quickly to that peak voltage. When the diode output drops, the capacitor discharges its stored energy into the load, keeping the voltage from falling to zero. Now, let's put an LED bulb in the circuit. When the power source is off, the bulb will draw the remaining power from the circuit.